Let's go back to Apply Corner Treatment, where they butt together. Hit Apply. Now what happens if we don't want this one to be the longer one? So the top is longer and these two verticals are the shorter ones that butt up against there. So if we'd like to change that, we come over here and see right now this is XY. So the XY plane, if we come down here to XZ and change that and hit Apply, watch what happens right here to the longer one. Hit Apply. Now that's the shorter one. Now if you'd like to swap this material out for something else, let's hit OK. Brings up our option form. Come up here to Frame, Edit Cross Section. Select that. Green check mark right here. So we're still in the command. Now it brings up all these other options, and right here, this is where I can select New Cross Section Component. So I'll select that, and it takes me back where my templates are. Double click on this. Let's go to round tubing and change it to 30 by 2.6. And I'll click on that and hit Open. And if I'd rather this have a radius, I'll come back here to Frame Options. And let's type in a radius and apply. And I'll go ahead and close and hit OK. Now, if I'd like to change this to edit this to a different size, I see my two driving dimensions here. If I try and click on these, it doesn't work from right here. So what I need to do is hit Finish. I'm going to hit Escape and close this form. Now I'm going to close out of the frame environment. So I'll hit Close. Takes me back to my assembly mode. I could just go home. And now, to modify this, I need to come over here to my sketch. And I called that Frame 1. And so I'll select this. I see a couple options come up here. Edit Definition or Edit in Place. So I could say Edit in Place. I've got to save the assembly. And I'll call this Frame 1. And now after I save that, my sketch is active. I could move these dimensions around, lift them up so I can see them a little clearer. I'll fit the view. I'll come up here to the 555, select that, and I'd like to change that to 400. Enter. I'll change the 222 to 180. And once I hit Close and Return, I can X out here or over here. You'll see the model updates. And go ahead and save this in case we want to use it at a later date.